actually, sumali kami ng Wonder Band in 2016. But we initially wanted to join back in 2015. Pero, but when we talked about it. And then when we revisited the idea, ay tapos na yung deadline. So we missed it. So we prepared, I think we prepared a little earlier the following year. So during the contest, we performed our first ever original, No Tomorrow, and along with a cover of a song called No Diggity. And then we mashed it up with no, yung James Brown. Get up.
And Drive That Funky Soul.
Yeah, Get Up and Drive That Funky Soul. So yeah, that's one of those are the songs that we performed. And then yung mga opportunities na lumabas after that. And we were put on the radar. Initially, we just wanted to do it for fun. Kasi, garage band lang kami dati. So, like, in a legit garage. So, after that, when we won, we didn't really think far after. Wala kaming foresight. So, wala kaming plans after that. So, nagulat na kami. Like, hala, we're a real band.
We're a band now.
May encourage na tayo. Anong gagawin natin? Mag-accept ba tayo? Pero, ever since then, we just kept accepting and seeing where we could go as a band musically and, you know, like, on the internet also, mga ganun. And we just never stopped until dumating kami sa point ng, I guess, ng Raining in Manila or Fallen or this.
And you wrote pa diba right after that, right? No?
No, after we won Wonder Band, we wrote Maybe and
Oh, okay.
Yes, yeah, Peace of Mind. And then, after Wonderland na namin sinulat yung Pwede Ba. So, we didn't get to play it. For me, just because it's catchy and I think it has the most impact also for yung line na pwede pa ba magtanong, hindi mo ba ako kilala. I think that just sums up the whole experience, like the whole struggle also, diba? Yan lang naman, is imagine saying that to someone who raised your dad. Raised you also to some extent.
Tama. Sorry, stick naman.
The song isn't about missing like a ex-lover or anything like that. It's actually about Raymond's struggle with his lola's dementia before she passed away 2 years ago. So dun nanggagaling yung sinabi ko.
We had a fan before. Now, sorry. She was supposed to fly to her province like prior to earlier today, but she found out we had a gig in BGC, I think so.
Yeah.
So she had to she didn't have to, but she rebooked her flight so that she can catch ours.
Yeah.
And that wasn't even her first time watching us.
Yeah.
So
She's watching
siya
later.
nalilibot.
She's watching today.
Yeah, she's watching today.
Yes.
Nanood ba siya ng Hood?
She
Yes,
also
she
watched
was-
Coldplay, but yeah.
But she didn't know.
Yeah.
So
So yeah,
hindi
that
pa
was
talaga
super-
siya to watch
That was super heartwarming because I don't know, like it's pretty wild having
Yeah.
to go on.
Na-meet nyo na siya personally?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
multiple times.
Okay.
She always seems to find us in the, like, not find us, like, in our gigs, like, wherever we are, Isa's always there.
I don't know how she
I don't know
is.
how, but like, nice.
Schedule.
Schedule.
It's really just,
Yes.
What's his
Are
schedule?
there other parameters you're looking for?
As much as we want to be able to perform for every gig that we can, kasi diba, we want to reach everyone. It's just not possible. You know,
Yeah.
some of us have day jobs,
Yeah.
some of us, you know, parang we have to work. Yeah, we have to write, we have to shoot stuff rin, diba? Your music video, mga
and
ganun,
you're mixing,
music.
and then you're giving comments,
Oh.
and then you're doing, yeah, it's so much stuff. And then, si Messina is a doctor, so,
Not?
not yet.
Not yet.
Sorry, Messina, you ain't no doctor yet. Yeah, so it's really just schedule. And then my balls, group chat and you just say, are you free? Yes, yes, no, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Thank
Okay.
you.